Corvette owners can now build their own engines. For a price, Chevrolet is offering a select group of Corvette buyers an unprecedented opportunity to personally assemble the engine that will power their new Z06, ZR1, or ZR1X. The Build Your Own Engine experience, previously paused due to logistical challenges, is set to return for the 2026 model year. The hands-on experience for an additional fee, pricing details have not been confirmed, but were previously estimated at $5,000. Customers can work alongside Chevrolet's master technicians at the Performance Build Center in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Participants will have direct involvement in assembling the 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 engine destined for their vehicle. This isn't just a symbolic gesture. Buyers will literally get their hands dirty, working alongside professionals to put together the heart of their Corvette. The program includes protective gear, a commemorative plaque, and a photo documenting the build session. Chevrolet has also promised a unique gift for participants, though the details remain undisclosed. Why this matters: the Corvette's engine is a cornerstone of its identity. Chevrolet's willingness to open up this process reflects a growing trend toward exclusivity and personalization in the luxury automotive market. Buyers aren't just purchasing a car, they're investing in an experience that reinforces their connection to the vehicle. The program's initial delay in 2023 stemmed from the engine's complexity and supply chain disruptions. The decision to revive it now suggests that Chevrolet has resolved those issues, albeit at a premium cost for consumers. Models included all three eligible models: the naturally aspirated Z06 and the turbocharged ZR1 and ZR1X share the same 5.5-liter V8 architecture. The Z06's high-revving, naturally aspirated version is known for its sharp responsiveness, while the ZR1 and ZR1X variants add twin turbos for significantly increased power. "We know that when you help build the heart, every rev feels personal," said Corvette plant director Ray Thuriault in a LinkedIn post. So roll up your sleeves and come get your hands, actually gloves, dirty, as you work alongside our master builders to put together the core of our beloved Corvette, its engine. The return of the Build Your Own Engine experience provides a rare glimpse into the car's DNA. For customers willing to pay the price, it offers an unparalleled connection to their vehicle. Chevrolet's move underscores the evolving relationship between automakers and their most dedicated buyers. As vehicles become increasingly complex, the desire for ownership extends beyond mere transportation. It's about participation in the creation of the machine itself.